D&M Service Company offers the best HVAC repair and maintenance in the Louisville area. You will find that D&M Service Company strives to offer the best possible HVAC services whilst remaining affordable. With the use of geothermal heat pumps, D&M Service Company can provide savings of up to 70%. D&M Service Company utilizes these geothermal heat pumps as the most efficient way to heat and cool buildings. In addition to the geothermal heat pumps, D&M Service Company makes use of variable frequency drives which are crucial to energy saving. You will find that D&M Service Company also offers emergency repair services and a 24-hour hotline. In Louisville, HVAC is a concern all year round, and D&M Service Company offers furnace repair, air conditioner repair, and more. Learn more at LouisvilleBudston.com.